고민소는 좀 너무한 것 같아 나태우도 여유가 넘쳐 숨이 막혀 배려 없는 눈웃음에 아마 그게 매력인 걸 아는 듯해
Hello, my name is Trina Mayang, Agribusiness Study Program, Faculty of Agriculture, Tanjung Pura University. On this occasion, I will explain 3 materials from the A segment given by my English lecture. The first material explains the importance of learning English. The second material explains the importance of mastering TOEFL. And the last material explains about adverb. The first is the importance of English. In today's world, multilingualism is becoming more and more important. In addition to opening up employment opportunities, being able to speak a foreign language helps to make a real connection with people and to know more about diverse cultures, faiths, and lifestyle. The more proficient you are, the better you can express yourself. Out of the 6,500 spoken languages in the world today, why choose to learn English as the third most widely spoken language in the world? English is the widely spoken the talk in over 118 countries and is commonly used around the world as a trade language or diplomatic language. It is the language of science, aviation, computers, diplomatic, and tourism. Last but not least, it is the language of international communication, the media, and the internet. Whether it is for professional or personal reason, understanding the importance of English will help you reach your goals. Here are a few reasons why you should keep learning and practicing your English language skill. The first, English can make you smarter. Learning a foreign language enhances your cognitive and analytical abilities. Learning a new language can be difficult and it involves a lot of mental exercise. Research from a 2012 Swiss study showed that learning a new language changes the brain structure, impacting the parts of the brain responsible for memory, conscious tasks, and it makes you more creative. In the long term, bilingualism that can keep the brain strong and healthy into old age and support concentration and memory skills. On an individual level, it improves personality and increases sense of self-worth. In simple words, learning a foreign language makes the brain strong and the more versatile. Learning English is not only useful, but it's also given a lot of satisfaction, and making progress will make you feel great. Why not make it even more tangible by taking a standardized test to cultivate your proficiency? The second, English is a global language. English is the most commonly spoken language in the world. 1 out of 5 people can speak or at least understand English. The third, studying English can help you get a job. English is the language of science, aviation, computers, diplomacy, and tourism. Knowing English increases your chances of getting a job in a multinational company within your home country or of finding work abroad. The fourth, learning English can help you meet new people. English is the official language of 53 countries and is used as a language function or a mutually known language by people from all around the world. This means that whether you're working in Beijing or traveling in Brazil, studying English can help you have a conversation with people from all over the world. Fifth one, many scientific papers are written in English. In the last country, the number of scientific papers written in English has started outweighing the number of papers written in the native language of the researchers. In the Netherlands, for example, the ratio is a surprising 14:1. For this reason, having a knowledge of English is incredibly important to those working in the scientific field. The sixth, English is the language of the media industry. Because of the prominence of Hollywood in global media, an enormous amount of films, TV shows, and popular songs are written in English. If you speak English, you won't need to rely on translation and subtitle anymore to enjoy your favorite books, songs, films, and TV shows. The seventh, English given access to more entertainment and the more access to internet. Nowadays, many films, TV shows, books, and music are published and produced in English. By understanding English, you won't need to rely on translation and subtitles anymore. By accessing these media, you will also continuously improve your English listening and reading skill. English is currently the language of the internet. An assessment of 565 million people use the internet every day, and about 52% of the world's most visited websites are displayed in English. Therefore, learning this language gives access to over half the contents of the internet, which might not be available otherwise, whether it is for fun or work for work. If you understand English, you will be able to exchange information with more people online to use many more materials. The 8th, traveling is a lot easier with a good knowledge of English. Imagine you are a Spanish person on holiday in Thailand. While your hotel reservation might be able to answer your question in Spanish, it's likely they will be able to answer your question in English. The 9th one, English is one of the most important languages for business. Whether you are a business owner, student, or employee, English is incredibly important in the business world. English is considered to be one of the most important business languages due to being the factor language of the United States and the official language of the UK, Canada, India, and South Africa. The 10th one, with English, you can study all over the world. Since English is spoken in so many different countries, there are thousands of schools and universities around the world that offer programs in English. If you speak good academic English, there are a lot of opportunity for you to find an opportunity school and course to suit your needs. Find out about going to university in an English-speaking country. The 11th one, English gives you access to multiple cultures. Good knowledge of English will allow you to access films, music, and literature from hundreds of countries around the globe. Not to mention the fact that most books from across the world are translated into English. Few experiences will make you grow a person more than learning that values, habitats, and way of life in a culture that is different from yours. The second material, the importance of mastering the TOEFL. The TOEFL test is a standardized, usually conducted to evaluate the proficiency of a person in the English language. Of the four aspects of communication, which are speaking, reading, listening, and writing, are integrated into the TOEFL test to judge the test taker's levels of competency in the language. Moreover, by taking the test, the individual becomes familiar with the method of speaking with or written in the academic settings. Hence, it provides a number of advantages to the individual taking the TOEFL test. Number 1. Your academic advantage. Being awarded a high score in TOEFL test provides your company in English, and this gives you an edge over the other in the university. A high score also enhances your chance to gain admission into the top language universities if you are trying to get into one. One of the biggest advantages is that you will never feel out of place anywhere in the world, especially among your peers in your college or university, as you will be one among them and not be segregated due to lack of knowledge of English. The greatest advantage is definitely the fact that you will be considered with high right for having a good score in the TOEFL test, as is it highly advances the test, and gaining a good score in the gives the university a good impression of your ability. Number 2. Your professional advantage. Today, some business organizations have made it mandatory to show a high TOEFL test score in order to gain employment. The result of globalization is today most business organizations have a mixed population of people who speak less of a particular language and more of English, which has become a global language. So with a high TOEFL test score, it is possible for you to get into one of the blue chip companies around the world. Number 3, your personal advantage. By taking the TOEFL test and scoring high, you are a level above the rest as you are equipped with the knowledge of your proficiency in the English language. This gives you the boost and the confidence to speak up rather than being a passive participant in group discussion, the meetings. By taking the test, you are highly benefit as it gives you the power communication. The benefits of doing the TOEFL are: number 1, scoring a high score in TOEFL test proves your competency in English, and this gives you an edge over the others in the university. Number 2, one of the biggest advantages is that you will never feel out of place anywhere in the world, especially among your classmates in your college or university, as you will be one among them at no be strangers due to lack of knowledge of English. Number 3, there are more than 405,000 test countries situated in more than 165 countries in the world. The time and money are also saved as the test is only for the one day and it is not needed to travel for many days continuously like how it is done for other tests. Number 4, today some business organizations have made it mandatory to show a high TOEFL test score in order to gain employment. So with a high TOEFL test score, it is possible for you to get into one of the blue chip companies around the world. Number 5, by taking the TOEFL test and scoring high, you are a level above the rest as you are equipped with the knowledge of your proficiency in the English language. This gives you the boost and the confidence to speak up rather than being a passive participant in group discussion and meeting. The last material is adverb. What is an adverb? An adverb is a part of speech that provides greater description to a verb, adjective, another adverb, a phrase, a clause, or a sentence. Way to pick out an adverb from a sentence is to look for the word ending in "ly." Although that not universally true, it's a good place to start. Also, given their functions, the fundamental elements of the English language are usually placed right before or after the verb in the sentence. Adverbs are intensivers, and they can even come in the form of an adverb phrase. That just means you're looking at 2 or more words that acts as an adverb. Defining an adverb. What is an adverb? Well, first it's important to understand the word adverbs work closely with, starting with verbs, adjective, and another adverb. A verb is a word that expresses action or a state of being. Example: jump, run, swim, sky, fish, talk. An adjective is a word that describes or clarifies a noun. Example: pretty, happy, silly, sunny. A noun is a person, place, or thing in its simplest definition. Examples: girl, dog, mom. There are many rules for using adverbs, and these rules often depend upon which type of adverbs you are using. Remember this basic, and using adverbs to make sentence more meaningful will be easier for you. Adverbs can always be used to modify verbs. Notice that the second of these two sentences is much more interesting simply because it contains an adverb. Example, the dog ran, and the dog ran excitedly. The dog ran, you can picture a dog running, but you don't really know much more about the sign. The dog ran excitedly, you can picture a dog running, wagging its tail, panting happily, and looking glad to see its owner. You can paint a much more interesting picture in your head when you know how or why the dog is running. Adverbs are often formed by adding the letters "ly" to adjective. This makes it very easy to identify adverbs in sentence. There are many expressions to this rule. Everywhere, now here, and upstairs are a few examples. An adverb can be used to modify an adjective and intensify the meaning in core phrase. For example, he plays tennis well, and he plays tennis extremely well. He plays tennis well. He knows how to play tennis and sometimes he wins. He wills tennis extremely well. He knows how to play tennis so well that he wins often. When you see a few examples, it will be easy to see how adverbs function in a sentence. To simplify things, they explain the action. And now, of the explanation of the material from me, I apologize in advance if the material I convey is less clear or not understood.
Getting cold, but I have my own sweater. Fuck your polyester.